Today we're going to make a steamed bun, Baozi. So there are two kinds of fillings. One is shrimp with garlic chive, ginger sauce, or both vegetables will grow in our garden. Another one is pork based. It has cilantro, ginger root, and Swiss chard.
Of course, ground pork. Okay, first make a dough with flour, right? You also put yeast there. These ladies are making steam bun. See, they are really skillful.
They are master, not skill.
Yeah, okay. They're master chef. These are steam bun. The ladies made. We're going to put it on the fire to generate steam to steam these steam buns. Okay, this steam bun. This is a steam bun. Inside we should have ground pork and vegetable, steam bun, whatever. Inside we should have shrimp. Actually, I should open that. Let's see. Here's how does it look like inside. Looks really yummy.